Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of a story, The Housebuilder. Before starting the workshop, I request you to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Therefore, you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. Warming up. Make groups and discuss the following. First, what is retirement from occupation? Retirement from occupation means leaving one's job for reaching a certain age. Second, when do people retire? Answer, a retirement age is 60 years in India. Third, for what reason do people have to retire from their occupation? Answer, there are several reasons of retirement of occupation. First, they want more leisure time with family. Second, their health problem. Third, accident. Fourth, how do people spend their time after retirement? Answer, people spend the time after retirement first with family and friends. Second, take part-time job. Third, give scope for hobbies and passions. Discuss and match the professionals involved in construction with the work they do. A. Architect, plans and designs structures. Engineer, ensures structure will be strong and stable. Building contractor, supervises construction, employs workers, professionals, etc. Carpenter, makes wooden framework of doors, windows, etc. Mason, builds walls, roof, etc. and plasters. Tiler, does the flooring. 7th, interior decorator, beautifies the inside of a house. Second, a word can be broken up into units of pronunciation, each having one vowel sound, with or without consonant sound around it. Each such unit is called syllable. For example, to, got, will, see, etc. have just one syllable. Father, mason, builder have two syllables. Engineer, carpenter, construction, etc. have three syllables. Write down names of any 5 of your classmates and break them up into syllables. Write down the number of syllables in each of their names. First, Om, 1 syllable. Second, Rahul, Aryan, Sunil, 2 syllables. Third, Harshada, 3 syllables. Fourth, Sanjeevani, 4 syllables.